I'm back, but now with questions related to rate of work only. So all questions of different type that you will be asked in exam. We have rate of work in different versions. Now, I'm Teacher John, and this is Kenya Science Academy, and where we are recording, we are in Ibtikar Academy, Feather Estate Gate 2. So ensure that come and inquire about the school. It is from grade PP playgroup to grade 6. So ensure that you come and you inquire. Now, subscribe to this channel. This is where we will be dealing with exam questions in each and every topic, from junior secondary school to senior secondary school. So you cannot afford to miss that. Then, if you are out of school, you can just subscribe and like the video in order to take it to the next level. There's no harm in helping others. So there's no harm in also in subscribing. If you come across this video, just subscribe it, like it, and subscribe to the channel, like the video, let it go wherever it want to go. Thank you. So here, what do you have? We have questions concerning rate of work. So ask yourself, what is rate of doing work? What is the rate of doing work? So rate of doing work, here we have, it is amount of work done over the time taken to do that work. Amount of work done over time taken to do that work. So what can we say? Rate of work is equals to work done over time taken to do the work. Time taken. As simple as that, you don't need to struggle. So our first question here, Njoroge moved 50 bricks from the ground floor to the second floor of the building in 25 minutes. Calculate the rate of work here. Very simple. Which work did Njoroge do? Njoroge moved 50 bricks, so 50 bricks. That's the amount of work done. Then time, how long did Njoroge take to move these bricks? 25 minutes. So it is over 25 minutes. So rate of work here is 25 goes 1, 2. So it is 2 bricks each and every minute. 2 bricks per minute. 2 bricks per minute. 2 bricks per minute. That's now our rate of doing work. Our rate of doing work. Now, we are done with that. Easy. Let us move to the next question, number 2. Number 2, can you read what you have? 5 men can take 20 days to cultivate a piece of land. How many days will 50 men take to cultivate the same piece of land working at the same rate? So we have 2 methods of doing this. So number 2, we are going to do using the first method, and number 3, we're going to do using the second method. And you choose the method that works for you. So that is our number 2. So I'll have men, then days. So 5 men can take 20 days to cultivate. So 5 men taking 20 days. So 5 men take 20 days to calculate a piece of land. How many days will 50 men take to cultivate the same piece of land? So ask yourself, if 5 men are taking 20 days, do you think one man will take more days or less days? One man will take more days or less days. If 5 men is taking 20, so one man will take more than 20 days. So you say one man will take 20 times 5. So you say if 5 men take 20, one man will be 20 times 5 if you cross multiply. So which is 100. days. So one man will take 100 days. So you ask yourself, so if one man takes 100 days, what about, how many men are we being asked? 50 men working at the same rate. So what about 50 men? Will take how many days? So one man take 500 days. So you need to understand one thing. If you cross multiply here, what will happen? Huh? If you cross multiply here, what will happen? You're going to get 5,000 days, 50. No, it won't happen. So you'll say, the rate of doing work, you say now, 100 days divided by 50 men. 100 days divided by 50 men. So 50 men will take 2 days. So here, when you reach here, ask yourself, 50 men, will it take less than 100 or more than 100? So the more the men, the more the number of men, the less the days. So that is now inverse proportion. So you need to reason, is it inverse proportion or direct proportion? So inverse, if you increase one quantity, another quantity decrease. If you increase the number of men, the days will have to decrease. But if you reduce the number of men, the days will increase. That is now inverse or indirect. But direct quantity or direct proportional or direct proportion, if you increase this, for example, if people are cooking chapatis, you increase the number of cooks, the number of chapatis will have to increase. But if you decrease the number of cooks, the number of chapatis will decrease. So that is now direct proportion. In direct proportion, if one increases, another one decreases. Direct, if one increase, they increase at the same rate. So that is what you need to understand. So here, don't make a mistake of cross multiplying, but you need to think. That is one thing you now have to understand. So 50 men will take 2 days to complete the same piece of work. Let us do number 3. Number 3, what do you have? Number 3, 12 men can take 20 days to complete a piece of work. 12 men can take 20 days to complete a piece of work. How long will it take 16 men to do the same piece of work? How long will it take? So I'll have men, days. So 12 men can take 20 days. 12 men taking 20 days. So one man will take how many days? One man will take how many days? That's now 12 times 20. So if 12 men take 20 days, one man will take more days from 12. Very many days. So we are going to have 12 times 20. So this is now 240 days. So one man is taking 240 days. Then you're being asked, if one man takes 240 days, then how long will it take 16 men to do the same piece of work? So 16 men will take 240 divided by 16 days. So 16 men will take 240 days divided by 16. So what do you have? 240 divided by 16. That is 15 days. So the answer is 15 days. The answer of what? What were we asked? How long will it take 16 men to do the same piece of work? That's now 16 men will take 15 days. So it is just very simple. What do you need to do? You need to know one man will take how many days. Then the number of days one man will take. If one man take 240 days, 16 men will take less So it is inverse proportion. So take 240 divided by 16, you'll know the number of days that 16 men will have to take. So I've done the 3 questions. So if you have any other question related to this rate of work, so that we can add in our list of questions, just let me know. Subscribe to the channel, share the video. Let us work together. See you in the next lesson.